Each student at CU Boulder is classified as either a Colorado resident or a non-resident. Residents are charged the in-state tuition rate, and non-residents pay the out-of-state rate. If you are the parent or legal guardian of an undergraduate student who will be less than 23 years old when the term begins, then your information is what's used to determine residency. If your student is currently enrolled as a non-resident and wants to request a residency change based on your information, your student must submit a Parent Residency Petition. The change from non-resident to resident does not occur automatically. The burden of proof is on the student to provide clear and convincing evidence that you are a Colorado resident. To qualify as a resident, you'll need to prove that you have been domiciled in Colorado for 12 months before the first day of the term. Domicile is a legal term describing the one place where a person has chosen to make their true, fixed, and permanent home. Domicile includes physical presence and evidence of intent to stay. To prove physical presence, you'll need to provide a residential lease if you rent or a property deed if you own for the entire 12-month period. To prove intent to stay, you must show that you've cut ties to other states. You'll need to get a Colorado driver's license or state ID within 120 days of moving to the state. And if you're registered to vote, you must be registered in Colorado. If you drive, you'll need to get a Colorado vehicle registration within 180 days of moving to the state. If you're employed, your federal and state income tax filings must reflect your Colorado address. You'll need to show that you filed taxes as a part-year or full-year resident of Colorado, depending on when you moved. A few tips for petitioning. Review the petition early so that you know what is required. Be sure to complete all information on the petition. Don't leave anything blank. Submit all of the supporting documents required in the petition. Turn it in by the posted deadline or well ahead of the deadline to avoid the rush. Petitions are accepted at specific times throughout the year. Please visit our website or contact the Office of the Registrar to confirm the dates during which we will accept petitions. After a tuition classification officer reviews the petition, we will reach out to your student through the student portal and their colorado.edu email address if we need additional information. This is also how the student will be notified of the final decision regarding their residency. The student is responsible for keeping you informed of any communication sent by the Tuition Classification Office. Parents will not be notified directly about the petition status. A few exceptions to note. If your student is in the United States on a student visa, is married, or is a military student or dependent, please contact the Office of the Registrar to discuss how that can affect their residency status. Please also contact us if you are in the United States on a visa, as this may affect your eligibility to establish residency in Colorado. For more information, please visit our website, email us, or stop by the Office of the Registrar in the Regent Administrative Center.